Based on the latest releases, and the strategies DJI has been adopting recently, we can outline some very realistic projections of what the Air 4 will be like. So in this video, we're going to analyze the possible design features, sensors, cameras, transmission system, battery life, and the expected launch time frame for this drone. Last year we had this leak, posted by Jasper Ellens, which showed for the first time a photo of the Air 4. He mentioned that the prototype was damaged, but it revealed a design similar to the Mavic 4 Pro, with obstacle avoidance sensors in the same positions, and slightly thicker arms than the current Air 3S, suggesting a more refined and better built product. To improve visibility, I made a few adjustments. I reduced the noise, removed interference, increased the resolution, and achieved this result. Now we can see the details more clearly, such as the damage caused by the crash. And the first thing that caught my attention is that it doesn't have a camera. This detail is very important, because the dual camera setup is the main defining feature of the Air lineup. Another thing that caught my attention is its resemblance to the Mavic 4 Pro. This suggests that the Air 4 will follow the same design trend, with a large camera module occupying the entire front of the drone, 3 obstacle avoidance sensors on the top, and 3 more on the bottom, providing full omnidirectional protection. And if we overlay this image with a Mavic 4 Pro at the same scale, we reach the following conclusion. This prototype is actually a Mavic 4 Pro that crashed during the testing phase. I had already made a video about this back then, but since then I've kept thinking about it. What will the future of the Air lineup be? Will it be discontinued, or will it be updated with the launch of an Air 4? In my opinion, DJI will not discontinue the Air lineup, because it occupies a very well-defined niche in the market. It's a mid-sized drone, whose main feature is its dual camera system, and it's very popular among professionals who need something more capable than the Mini line, but can't afford an expensive drone like the Mavic. So what will the new Air 4 be like? Based on technological evolution, and the trends of DJI's most recent drone launches, there is a strong possibility that it will be a slightly smaller version of the Mavic 4 Pro. It would keep the same spherical camera concept, but with 2 lenses, occupying the entire front of the drone and capable of rotating 360 degrees. As a result, the drone's body would also follow the Mavic 4 design language, with obstacle avoidance sensors in the same positions and a front-facing LiDAR sensor integrated into the drone's arm. The main feature of this drone is its dual camera system, and I don't see any reason to change that concept. It should keep the 1-inch main sensor, with a wide-angle lens, while the second camera may receive an upgraded sensor, but is expected to retain its 70mm lens, providing 3x optical zoom. The Air 3S was the first DJI drone to feature LiDAR technology, and the Air 4 is expected to retain this same sensor, which has a range of 25 meters. However, it should be even better, as its object detection capabilities are likely to be enhanced by powerful AI-based processing, which is expected to evolve even further by the time of its launch. The Air 3S already has a solid 20 kilometers range, so the ideal scenario for the Air 4 would be something around 25 kilometers. If it stays below that, it could be surpassed by the Mini 5, and if it reaches 30 kilometers, it would match the range of the Mavic 4, which is a top-of-the-line drone and significantly more expensive. The Air 3S already has a very solid 45 minutes of flight time, but with advances in technology, the Air 4 is expected to reach around 50 minutes of flight time. As for pricing, the Air 4 combos are expected to follow the same pricing strategy as the Air 3S. The most expensive kit should be the Fly More combo, which includes the RC2 controller, an intelligent charger, and 3 batteries, along with the other basic accessories. This combo is likely to cost around $1,500, not including taxes. There is also the possibility that DJI will introduce a new bundle, similar to what it did with the Mavic 4. we may see an Air 4 Creator combo, featuring increased internal storage, and the RC Pro 2 controller. This bundle would likely be priced at around $2,500. The 4G module should continue to be sold separately, but there's also a possibility that it could be integrated into the drone's internal circuitry, functioning almost like built-in storage. It's also possible that DJI will finally release an electronic ND filter for this drone. Currently, the Air 3S is already an impressive drone, so the Air 4 is expected to exceed expectations even further. It is well positioned as a mid-range dual-camera drone, meeting the needs of users who sit between the Mini 5 and the Mavic 4. Its weight of around 700 grams also provides good stability and strong wind resistance. But after all, when will we see the Air 4 in stores? The Air 3S was launched in October 2024, and we know that DJI usually maintains an average 2-year interval between new versions of the same family. So we can expect the Air 4 to arrive in the second half of this year. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.